Yes.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all.
Dude, it's amazing. My God.
You're amazing. You are amazing.
Yeah, all of you are.
Really? No.
We have a drawing activity today.
Yeah, we should ask Amy.
Yeah.
And
Can we do the drawing activity? Because I don't know what's going to happen. I'm improving at drawing.
you surprised, you know? I don't know either.
Okay, so now time for drawing activity. But
I really wasn't ready. So, in the middle of the paper, let's draw a circle. In the middle of the paper, let's try just circles. That's gonna be easy for everyone to draw. Let's start with the circle. Circle. My circle looks like an egg. Because I'm really nervous, so I can't control right now.
Yeah, don't worry, we are here for you.
Okay.
Good circle,
are you
kids.
done, student? To make a
Yes.
circle.
Here, from the middle, let's put another circle here. I'm gonna. Okay, another circle.
Yeah. Are you doing it, Mia? Show us.
Mia, Mr. Michael calling you.
You're
Mia,
glad. I can't see you, Mia. I can't see you properly. I want to see you. Mia.
Actually,
Yes,
me too.
camera.
I'm not seeing anyone.
Yeah.
Where is
So we
Mia?
can help you to.
Are you done, Mia?
Here.
I will spotlight for Mia.
Mia.
Where is your circle?
As Mia's showing us now. Okay, Mia. What color is your circle?
Yeah, we are done, right?
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah, we
We're
done.
gonna practice a lot of circles today.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, we gotta do another circle. Just let's put this way. Semicircle, right like this.
And what are you drawing?
It's secret. It's secret.
That's the point. You will see in the end.
Okay.
Tom, show
Okay.
us your the farm.
Okay?
Okay, are you done, student?
Yeah.
Then you can give
Let's
thumb
draw
up. Okay.
another
Okay.
circle here. Let's make easy to draw circles.
Circles are the most beautiful things.
So, we made another circle. Is it okay?
Are you
Yeah,
done, student?
CJ, have you done it, CJ?
Okay, we are done.
DJ, are you done?
Think those as their the eyes. So we're gonna put a dot here and one here. Like this.
Okay. Gonna change color.
And another dot beside.
Yeah, Bao, you're doing it.
I'm done.
You done?
Yes, I'm done.
Yeah. Okay.
Show us four more. Here's what was one. Show it.
So let's put bars here. Like this.
Are you done, student?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay,
Yeah.
we are done.
Ruby's done.
And let's put some stripes here.
You done?
I'm done.
Thank you, Baba.
B, are you done?
You done?
Yeah.
Tanvina, are you done?
Yes.
Done.
We are done. Susan.
We're done. So this side, let's make a semicircle.
Circles. Fantastic.
Like this. And let's put another semicircle here as well.
Yeah, are you done?
Yes.
Sonia, are you done, Sonia?
Yes.
It's amazing.
Sonia is also drawing.
Yeah, Bao, are you done?
Why you don't ask me, baby? I'm
Not
done.
watching anyone.
You, are you done?
Yes.
Yeah, we are done.
So we gotta close the ears. Just put it like this. So I think now they can see what is this.
You can show.
And I will show my drawing too. It should be it should be a cow, right?
That's cow.
Let's see. Why don't we show how
Make
creative?
this the
How about
real.
another student? Wow,
God.
that's beautiful.
My God.
Barbara.
Yes, it is.
Wow, big.
Barbara.
Already.
Oh, but it's beautiful.
Also from teacher
Yeah,
Kitty.
always. I remember the rabbit
Kitty.
you draw, you know, it's really amazing.
Oh my God. Yes. My God, she painted.
Yeah.
It's really funny to see this.
You see her rabbit
Dan,
for
Dan, show
Dan.
us your beauty.
Please show us your.
Yeah, everybody can you show us
Yeah,
together.
We will take a picture from your drawing, please.
Look
I
like a
will
contest
Please.
of drawing.
Hold your drawing. And I will
Tiny.
take a picture, please.
Yeah.
Picture for you, please. I know your